it's Vanna from Cuticles. I'm going to stay frugal with your next manicure.
And I got a very exciting video for you here today. MelodySusie sent me 24 plus 4 gels. Actually, I think the 4 means like base coat, top coat, matte, topical, that kind of thing. But 24 of them solidly are creams, metallic shimmers. It's all here, baby. And guess what? This is called the Masquerade Gel Polish Set. And if you want to purchase this and get 12% off, just use my code VANNAK. I'll have everything linked down in the description box down below for you to check out. So, and don't forget to use my code to get, save money. Alright, let's get swatching all these. There's a lot of them.
And here is the inside of the box. They give you some instructions. And here is the gels. As you can see, there's 24 of them. And these little black topped ones are the base coat, a second base coat. They give you 2 base coats, a top coat, and a matte top coat. Alright, let's get started. But at first, I'm going to grab my nail swatches because since there's 24 of them, I'm going to be swatching them on those. And here's what the bottles look like. Now all the bottles look the same except for the sticker at the top has a name and like the color of the gel. So here's the first one that I will be swatching, which is this beautiful awesome cream red. And I noticed that these gels need a little bit of a kind of a shaken up, I guess. I don't know how to put it. I don't know. They need a little bit of a shaken up. And here's the first coat. I'm going to be curing all of these swatches in a lamp for 60 seconds in between coats. So I did the first coat and now I'm doing the second coat. And when that second coat was fully opaque, I cured it in light for 60 seconds. And here it is. What a beautiful cream red. Very beautiful. Very classic.
Now it is time for the helpful fact of the day. When you're painting your nails with gel polish, make sure to be extra careful not to get it on your skin. And yes, of course, I mean when you painting on your nails and you kind of get some around your nails when you're painting it, you of course clean it up with acetone. But I mean, don't like ever get it on your skin. Other than that, don't be like gel polish and like get it all over your hands or something. Do not get gel on your skin. Of course, it's inevitable when you're painting nails, you get it around your nails, but just use a cleanup brush and acetone. But otherwise, gel polish should absolutely never touch your skin. Because I was like, oh my goodness, I went to watch a Susie video, which is Nail Career Education. And that is an awesome YouTube channel. I highly suggest you checking it out if you love doing nails. And she said in her video, don't get gel nail polish on your skin because the more the uncured gel is on your skin, the more you get allergic to it and you can become allergic to it. And I was like, what? You can become allergic to gel polish if you get it on your skin all the time? Well, probably because, you have to do it all the time. But still, oh my goodness, when I heard that, I'm like, okay, I'm going to make sure I'm not touching any gel on any of my skin. Of course, when I paint my nails with gel polish, I do get it on my nails. But I clean it up with acetone, of course. But I got to be careful because sometimes I kind of spill a little gel and then I'm like, oh my goodness, Maybe that's just me. But yeah, helpful fact of the day. Watch Susie's YouTube channel.
What I meant to say before is that these gel polishes don't have names, they have numbers on the top of the bottle. I don't know why I couldn't get, I couldn't say that. Alright, so next up is this beautiful jelly-like plum kind of color. And the first coat, it wasn't fully opaque, so I went ahead and put a second coat on, and I gotta tell you, this is a beautiful, beautiful color. It's kind of a jelly, kind of a cream-like formula, but since it's kind of sheer, it reminds me more of a jelly. And I did about 3 coats of this gel polish, and then it was fully opaque. Now, gel polish, of course, you do thin and even coats, so it's not surprising if you don't do 4 coats, 3 coats, 4 coats, because you want to do thin and even coats for it to dry, so that's very common. And here is the next polish, which is this beautiful purple. Now this is kind of a dusty cream purple, and it was just beautiful. It was a little sheer on the first coat, so I went in ahead with the second coat. And then I also added a third coat because you don't want to apply gel really thick because then it won't cure. So yeah, more coats of gel is better because it's not like you're sitting and waiting like for 3 coats of it to dry something. It dries, instantly in the lamp for like 60 seconds. Alright, moving on to this beautiful white. I love how they added a white in this set because you always need a white polish, you just always need one. It's a staple of a collection. And this white gel polish was opaque and 2 coats, so isn't that great? So here it is, very beautiful white. I love white nail polishes. I use them so much, so I really like how they added a white. Okay, moving on to this beautiful kind of color that's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of like a fruit kind of color. It's very similar to the polish before, being kind of plummy, and it's very beautiful, but this one's more of a cream than a jelly, I would say, maybe a little on the jelly side, but mostly I would call this a cream. And it was opaque in 2 coats, and it is a very, very beautiful plum-like color. Alright, moving on to this beautiful red gel polish, which is a very deep, deep red. Look at it in the bottle, very pretty. And I would say that this polish would need about 3 coats. Now, like I said, I'm applying them very, very thin because I want them to cure, and that is not, uncommon to add more coats of gel since you just cure it and you don't want to do it too thick. Alright, moving on to this black. I love how they added a black in this set because, like I said, with the white, it's a staple. You always need a black and white polish in your collection, so I just love how they added a black. And this black polish was opaque in 2 coats, and that's great. Well, usually blacks are more opaque because they're black, you know. And so, yeah, beautiful black gel polish. Love it. Staple. It was great that they put one in this set. Alright, moving on to this purple. Well, the sticker looks purple. Oh, it is. It's like this dusty purple. Very similar to the purple that we saw before, but very, it's different because it has like these like glitters in it, this gold glitter in it.
Time for the TMOI, which means tell me something about yourself. Down in the comment section down below. It could be anything. It could be about gel polish, but if you don't like gel polish, well, I hope you like gel polish because you're watching this video. But if it's not about gel polish, it could be about nail polish, it could be about stamping, it could be about everything. Anything and everything. Let me know down in the comment section down below.
I think it's so cute that they added just some fun kind of gold pixie dust glitter in this purple polish. Gel polish. I keep forgetting to call it gel polish. These are gel polishes, not normal nail polish. Gel polishes. Alright, moving on to the next one, which is a beautiful greenish blue. I would say leans more on the green side, and it is very beautiful. I gotta say, I love how gels just kind of like when you paint them on, you cure them in the lamp, and then they kind of self-leveling. Like they're so self-leveling. Oh my goodness. Alright, I applied 2 coats of this gel polish, and it is absolutely beautiful and nice wintry green, but I mean, you can wear this anytime you wear it. You don't have to wear it for when it's beautiful. Moving on to the next one, which is just beautiful in this collection, which is a navy blue cream, and it is beautiful. I'm already getting like summer vibes with this, like I don't know, like beachy 4th of July, or you could wear it for like winter or something, like any time of year, but I'm just saying I'm getting summer vibes from this one, and it is absolutely beautiful. It was opaque in 2 coats, and I gotta say I love this one. I showed it to my sister and she was like, oh my goodness, that color is beautiful. Painted on my nails, and I was like, alright. Moving on to the next one, which is this kind of mustardy yellow color, and I would say this one would be so nice to wear in the fall. Now you can do, I mean, you can wear it any time of year, but it would be very kind of nice for the fall, and I went ahead and added about 2 coats of this gel polish, and it was fully opaque. Very beautiful, very beautiful. Alright, moving on to the next one, which is this very deep kind of red, and as you can see, the gel polish, I kind of had to mix it up a little bit, and it was not like it separated or a big deal or anything, but as you can see, you might want to mix it up a little bit when it kind of looks chunky like that. And this was kind of this kind of jelly-like red, and it was very, very beautiful. You know, the box is very under the sea, and all of these gel polishes work with that because you could like do seaweed and under the sea, like coral reefs and stuff. Like that's really cool. And after 4 coats, I got this jelly-like deep red, opaque, and it's very nice. Alright, moving on to this kind of brownish shade. It was very sheer on the first coat, but that's not really surprising because I'm doing very, very thin coats, like I explained, before. Trying to do thin and even coats. And it was very sheer, so I went ahead and added the 2nd coat. And still very sheer, so kind of like a jelly, more of a sheer color, but still very beautiful. So I went ahead and added a 3rd coat, and that definitely needed a 4th coat. And then, boom! Fully opaque, beautiful brown jelly. which is not surprising if gel polishes if you need 4 coats because, like I said, super thin and even coats, that's what you need. Alright, moving on to this clay-like brown jelly polish I was about to say. I don't know, I think this is more of a cream slash jelly. But then I went ahead and added a second coat, and it's a very nice color. Like, I get this collection. It's kind of like Under the Sea Coral Reef, so they're giving you like all types of different colors. Like, I get it. Alright, moving on to the next one, which I love because it's a metallic silver polish, which is awesome. I love how this gel polish kit has different finishes. Like, I showed you jellies and creams, and now this is a metallic. Like, it just, this set, this 24 pack, man, it's just great. I don't know why I call it pack, set, and kit. But this gel polish was opaque in 2 coats. And then I'm moving on to one of my favorite gel polishes of this whole gel polishes. I don't know why I thought I said nail polishes there. The gel polish that I love, which is this blue, light blue metallic, which I just thought was so cool. I mean, just light blue, who wouldn't think this is cool? And like this formula of these gels is just so nice to paint on. It's almost like nail polish, not even like gel. But anyways, that blue metallic was beautiful. Now we're moving on to this, yes, gold topper. I don't know if I don't know if I would consider this a gold topper because I pretty much got it pretty fully opaque in 4 coats. So you could probably just wear it as a gold type of metallic. But you could probably wear it as a topper too. But yeah, I got it opaque in 4 coats and it is absolutely beautiful, beautiful golds. Okay, moving on to this other gold, which is kind of like a, I don't know how to explain it, but in the bottom, it kind of looks like, it's kind of a sheer like gold, but it's kind of a more bronzy gold. I don't know, it's very unique. I've never had one like it. But I went ahead and applied 4 coats. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful kind of unique color. Alright, moving on to this beautiful kind of deep purple with some gold glitter running throughout. And it is just beautiful. I really like these rich kind of colors. And it was opaque in 2 coats. And this color is very unique, very beautiful. And I really liked it. It's very nice. These gel polishes are very easy to apply. Like I said before, it's kind of like not, because some gel polishes are usually a thicker formula. These were very like super thick. They're more like nail polish. And here is this beautiful, beautiful, my favorite in the whole collection. I mean, it's just beautiful. Gold, I was going to say red glitter. It's a red base with red glitter in it. And it's just absolutely beautiful. And it's opaque in 2 coats. And I love it. It's like my favorite one out of this whole gel polish kit / set because it's beautiful. And here is a white metallic. Now usually white metallics aren't as opaque, but this one is like more opaque than I've tried in the past before, and I think it was very beautiful. I had opaque in 2 coats. I almost did a 3rd, but I got away with 2 coats. Just beautiful.
Good rule of thumb, if you're, swatching a bunch of colors or just sitting down and working a lot, get up, walk around, move those legs, and get some water. Because staying hydrated is a good rule of thumb, and it kind of breaks up, it kind of breaks up the work. If you're like me, you can go to the fridge and get a popsicle.
I did not upload last Friday just because I've been sick with a cold and I couldn't voice over and I couldn't film. But I'm glad to be back and I'm finally, feeling better so I can voice over. And this is a bronzy glitter nail polish, and it has silver glitters running throughout it, and I went ahead and added 3 coats of it to get it fully opaque. And this one is very unique too, very beautiful. I don't really have a lot of shades like this, so I just thought this was super cool. Alright, moving on to this very sheer kind of metallic black polish, and it was very sheer in the first coat, so I thought I probably need maybe 2, maybe 3, but then after I put on that second coat, it was like bam, fully opaque, beautiful. So yeah, this is a very nice metallic black, a little different, than other metallic blacks that I've had. Very beautiful. And moving on to this beautiful rose gold glitter nail polish. It's kind of a glitter / metallic polish, more leaning towards the metallic side. And it is very beautiful. Love this one out of it. I was like, is this a rose gold? This is a rose gold. Beautiful. Just very nice. And with that, that is the last gel polish that I will be swatching. That is all of them, and I think they are all so beautiful and so pretty. And if you would like to purchase this collection, please use my code VannaK to get money off. I'll have everything linked down in the description box down below if you would like to check it out down there. And I will just, I put some colors on my nails. I put that rose gold, I put that purple because I just loved it. And I thought that it was so pretty. But I'm very happy with this collection, very under the sea inspired. What was your favorite shade? Mine was definitely that glitter red. Just beautiful. Let us all know down in the comment section down below.
But I hope you enjoyed these swatches. Do you like this style of video? Let me know. I'm saying it again. I'm asking questions. Please give this video a like if you liked all these swatchings. Man, did it take a while. Never got that popsicle. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next Friday. Bye. Now it is time for the GTKM. Alright, so I named the swatching and reviewing the gel nail polish. I named it Dwell on the Gel. You do not know or haven't been around lately, why haven't you been around? It is a video series that I started on this channel. It's where I take one gel polish, we swatch it on, we really look at it, and we review it. And they're usually shorter length videos. But I'm kind of torn. I kind of want to put these, like, box set gel videos in that category too. But then I wanted to be single gel polishes because we want to take a closer look at them, you know. So I don't really know what to do about that. Maybe you guys can help me out down in the comment section down below. Be like, yeah, I don't mind you put maybe, you know, sets in there, and just maybe some just videos about sets, videos about one, you know, just all gel polish related. What do you think about that? So yeah, update. I named the video series Dwell on the Gel, and I think I might sometimes add gel kits to that thing. What do you think about that? You think it's kind of, you know, I don't know. Let me know down below.